Powers here with Ocean Breeze Exteriors. I want to talk to you today about changing the batteries in your awning wind sensor. This is something we get a lot of service calls about, and to be honest with you, I hate charging people just to go out and do this kind of thing because it's something I can easily explain here. And so if you can handle it on your own, it saves you money, saves me time, and we're both happy. And so how to change these. So if you don't have a wind sensor for your awning, or if you need a new one because it's broken, we do sell these in the office. Or you can order them from your local awning company, wherever you are. But let's go through changing the battery in these things. So if you have a retractable awning, this should be mounted on one of the lateral arms. It's usually mounted with a little piece of Velcro like this. Sticks to one side of the wind sensor, and the other side sticks to the awning arm itself. And so just pull it off the awning arm. Pull it right off, it comes off easily. And then what you have to do is pop this case open. Now, some of you are going to need, before you get started, get you a flat screwdriver and a quarter. Now, this one, it's brand new, and you find the right side, and you can actually push it off with your fingers. Did you hear that pop? If you hear one pop, you're good. If you hear more than one pop, you might have broken something. So, if you hear one pop, that's good. I've got this one loose. I was able to do it with my fingers because it's actually a new one, so it slides easily. If it's been up for a while, you may need to stick a quarter in here just to give you a little bit of leverage. But once you pop this off, opens up just like this. Lay that part down. Inside here is the battery compartment. Here's where you're going to need a screwdriver. And so you can see the tabs right at the top here. It's kind of spring loaded. And so you just use your screwdriver to pry up these tabs. Once you pry them up, pop that right off, and you can see the battery compartment right there. The kits, if you buy a wind sensor or order one from somewhere, these should come with 2 AAA batteries. Always though, just keep a couple of AAA batteries on hand at all times, and that way you don't have to run out to the store just to fix your wind sensor. And so you just pop the batteries in, put this back in. I had it upside down there. Nope, okay, there we go. Put this in, push it until it snaps. Then all you do is put this back on, slide it down, and guess what? You stick this sucker back on your awning, back where the Velcro patch is, so you know the right spot, and that is all it takes to change the batteries in your wind sensor. So if your wind sensor isn't working, if your awning is not rolling in when the wind starts picking up, that is usually the first cause. Now I'll give you a hint though. If your awning stops working for any reason at all, the awning won't come in with the remote, it won't come in with the wind sensor. The other most common reason that you'll always find that it aggravates people when I go out and actually discover this is the ground fault sensor on the outlet that your awning is plugged into. Make sure that that ground fault sensor has not popped. That's usually the first thing. So pop that in, try the awning again. But as far as batteries go in these wind sensors, it's a quick, under 5-minute fix and saves everybody a lot of time. So if you have any questions, feel free to comment below or give us a call here at Ocean Breeze Exteriors in Myrtle Beach, South Carolina. You can find us online at oceanbreezeexteriors.com.